Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2016 Harley-Davidson CVO Pro Street Breakout with 8,221 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and cruise control. It's been upgraded with Bassani 2-to-1 exhaust and docking hardware. The CVO Pro Street Breakout is a paragon of tasteful factory custom details, complementing its monstrous torque and dynamic design. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Breakout puts 100 horsepower and 118 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It has a 25-inch seat height and a dry weight of 701 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.